Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to my channel. Nice to see you joining in. Today, in the daily newspaper on Monday, July the 2020, the 6th, sorry, Monday, July the 6th, 2020, we have here only one Sudoku, a regular medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 5 extra Sudokus today. But we will start with this one first, a regular medium Sudoku, and I have counted all the numbers, the digits in this puzzle, the printed digits. There are 26. I have counted them. So if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, there's a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, and they start with the 1 star with 27 printed numbers. This one 26. You can compare it with 2 stars. So I have notice this with 2 stars. So I can begin. I can start. So let's get started. Yes. We have an 8 in this row. An 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. An 8 in this row. An 8 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me continue with another digit. How about the 2 in this row? A 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row above, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here also 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. The number, which number can I use? The number. How about the number 3? We see here a 3 in the third row, a 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then, I cannot continue with the 3, I see. How about this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. We see in this row a 9, so no 9 in this box. One box left for the 9, should be there. Then let me see. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3. So no 3 in this. We see here 3 in this big square. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here 3. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or could be there. And look, we have a 3 over there, so no 3 here. 3 must be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For the numbers 7 and 4. And look, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then 2 numbers left in this big square. The 7 and the 1. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Let me continue with the 3. 3 in this row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3, here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now an 8 in this column, an 8 in the middle column, an 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so in the second column between, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. And now, let me see. This big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Oh no. Yeah. A 5. We have a 5 here. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So one of these two boxes could be a 5. We have a 5 in the third column. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. I cannot continue with the 5. Stupid move. I cannot. Let me see another digit. So I know here must be a 5. How about the 9? 9. The 9, yes. 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So in the middle column, 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. One number left in the middle column should be for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. How about these 3 numbers? Now 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 9 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 9, 4, 7. 9, 4, 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more digits. That means these 2 numbers, 9, 4, 7, these 2 are the 1 and the 6. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. I marked them for you. It's easier to follow. That means 1 box left in this third row should be the number 7. These 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So, in this big square, we have 6 numbers left. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here a 5. So, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 3 boxes. So, 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1. 1 is missing. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 4 is missing. Then how about we have a 1 now, so I can eliminate this one. So the 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 4. So correction, 6 and 4. We have a 7 here, so 6 and 4. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then then let me think. We have a 1 in this row, a 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And I see all the ones are used. Yes. How about uh, 7, 9 and a 5. These 3 boxes in this row, the missing numbers are the 5, the 7, and the 9. And look, we have a 5 here, so no 5 here. Here also a 5, so no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 7 and a 9 are left. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7. Nope, we have a 7. 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and a 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6, I believe. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 3 numbers of this big square, 9, 7, and 4. We have a 7 here, no 7 here. Here also a 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 9 and a 4. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Only if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Yes, thank you for watching this episode, and I will continue later with the additionals with extra Sudokus. So 5 Sudokus to go. See you next time. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Bye bye.